Welcome to video series on cell, the basic unit of life. So in this video, let me explain the cell wall. Here, if you want to talk about the cell wall or if you want to learn about cell wall, you need to know the functions of the cell wall. At the same time, you need to know the composition of a cell wall, how this cell wall looks like, what are various functions of this cell wall, how it helps in the process of protection of a cell. For all these questions, we need to find out the answer. Suppose here, if you see the cell wall, which is an outermost layer of the cell, especially the cell wall is present in the around the plant cells, at the same time around the bacterial cells, etc. So that cell wall is a typical structure which is made up of cellulose and hemicellulose. What is cellulose and hemicellulose? Cellulose or hemicellulose, which are chemical or biochemical components that are present in the cell walls of plants, that are present in the cell walls of bacteria. Because of due to presence of the cellulose or hemicellulose, the rigidity or the toughness of the cell wall generally gradually increases. So here, if you see the cell wall, it is an outermost covering layer, and it is an outermost protective layer around the plant cells, we can say like that. So why? Because it is a hard, tough, thick, rigid layer that is present around the cells. So what are the functions of a cell wall? Cell is a structural and functional unit of the cell, as we know very well. Cell is a structural and functional and fundamental unit of the living organisms. Each plant cell has a protective coat around itself called as the cell wall that gives protection to the plant cells or the bacterial cells. So, you can see in the diagram how this cell wall generally looks like. So, which is an outermost covering layer of the plant cells, which helps in the protection. So, you can see in the figure the hard and the thick outermost layer of the cell wall, and a cell wall contains two layers. By the way, the outermost layer called cell wall that contains two major layers. What are those two layers? The first layer is middle lamella and the primary cell wall and other kind of structures like a secondary cell wall. Two major layers are there, middle lamella, and below the middle lamella you can see the primary cell wall. Below the primary cell wall, as we can see, the secondary cell wall. So basic layers of the cell wall. As cell wall as a protective layer, but how it acts as a protective layer? Because due to presence of these two layers, what our displayed here, the two layers are middle lamella and primary cell wall. Below the primary cell wall, which means primary cell wall later on divides into secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall. So about the layers of cell wall, let me discuss clearly. So if you see the plant cell wall, so you can see here in the diagram how the cell wall gives protection to its outermost layer. Cell wall limit water uptake, maintain a specific shape to the plant cells or to the bacterial cells. So here the human cells, if we take human cells do not have any cell wall, only the cell membrane or plasma membrane is present around the human cells. So plant cells do have cell wall, but human cells or animal cells do not have the cell wall. That is important point which you have to remember. And if you see the plant cell wall, as you can see here, the plant cell wall and its structure. So the plant cell wall, which is an appropriate important structure that helps in the protection. If you see the bacterial cell wall, the bacterial cell wall is typical as like a plant cell wall. Here the bacterial cell wall also gives protection to the bacteria from external shocks and injuries. So, and you can see here the middle lamellae, layers of the cell wall. What are the various layers of the cell wall? You can see the middle lamellae, and you can see the primary cell wall, and you can see the lumen. So, two major membranes, or what we can call them as walls. There are two major walls are there around the cell wall. The outermost layer is primary wall. Below the primary wall, you can see the middle lamellae. Exactly at the middle of the cell wall, you can see the lumen. Lumen is nothing but a small space. What is a lumen? A small space.